Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima, you have exhaust leak and you want to know the most common places where you can develop exhaust leak and how to fix it. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. With the engine being out, the exhaust system being out of the vehicle, we can clearly show you that guys and what to expect. Now, you don't need to remove your engine to fix exhaust leaks. You have quite a bit of room actually on Kia Optima, so it won't be so complicated, but we want to show you what to look for and where you can expect to have a leak. So this should work on any generation Kia Optima guys, even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be about the same. Let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. In addition guys, if you have a Kia Optima and you want to see more videos about electrical components, fuses, check out our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Life. You can find quite helpful information there as well. So that specifically here is a 2.4 GDI engine that can be found in multiple models Kia Optima guys. And here we remove the exhaust manifold. This is guys the exhaust manifold, and the exhaust manifold attaches to the cylinder head. Our problem was we were developing a leak from the exhaust manifold. It was like a ticking sound that will increase with the RPMs when you give it gas. And if you look at it, I will install the gasket right here now. You can clearly see that we had a leak from the exhaust manifold. When the exhaust manifold is leaking, you hear that ticking sound, and when you rev your car up, you hear the exhaust ticking even more, or especially if you're accelerating or climbing a hill, passing a vehicle, anything like that. And ours, you can see even dripped condensation all the way to the coolant pipe right here underneath, and you can clearly even see that on the exhaust manifold. So failing exhaust manifold gasket can easily cause that, and if your let's say exhaust manifold was removed for something such as cylinder head replacement, head gasket, anything like that in the past, mechanics often guys will not replace those gaskets. They will reuse them, and that can cause leaks as well, or they did not apply the correct torque specs for the exhaust manifold. That's one thing that can cause that. Number two, we haven't seen very often. Some people say that it could be cracked exhaust manifold. We personally haven't had that problem on Kia Optima ever. We, however, had leaks from the exhaust manifold that going to the flex pipe right here. You have one gasket between the two parts that looks exactly like this one. And if it's not tied together or the gasket is not in good condition, that can cause a leak again right here easily. Number three, quite common, maybe one of the most common things that we see here is the flex pipe failing. That flex pipe allows the engine, when it moves, the exhaust to stay fixed. So you can see that's in constant movement. That constant movement guys will actually cause that flex pipe sooner or later to fail on higher mileage vehicles. So it's exposed to extreme heat and it can easily fail on a higher mileage vehicle. So it's easy to develop a leak from the flex pipe, and in order to fix it you need to remove it from the exhaust manifold with two nuts, and two nuts right here that attaches to the exhaust of the vehicle. Another place where it could be, you have another gasket from the flex pipe that goes to the catalytic converter. That's the gasket right here that can develop a leak. That's your catalytic converter, and it's all one piece with that muffler. Then you have a last gasket after that. So those are all the gaskets that can develop a leak. If you have a muffler that's burned through, you will be easily able to notice that. But gaskets, look for a black spot around the leak, and you will be able to find where yours is leaking, and you will need to replace that gasket and get it tied to the correct torque specs. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.